please. Epa, see me, please.
What happened? Wetin happen?
Epa, please. Epa,
What
please. Epa, please. Epa,
Wetin happen?
please. What frustrate me, please. Epa, please.
Who want frustrate you?
They want frustrate me, please. Epa, oh, I beg you. Epa, I don't thief money. I
want frustrate
beg you.
you.
I beg.
I want
They want
frustrate you.
frustrate me. I don't say that you. They want frustrate me. Hello, big
Wetin
talk.
dey care for now?
I beg you. I beg me. I live Sonny. Me, I live Sonny. I beg me. I live Sonny. I beg me. I live
Wetin you
Sonny.
dey care for now?
Sonny, me, I live. I beg me. I live. Na
Where
happy
we
be
meet
day. Na
Sonny?
happy be day. Na happy. Na Sonny be day. Happy. Na Sonny. Na
Are
happy
you ready
day.
to tell me the truth?
Yes, now the truth they tell you now.
Oh yeah, they tell me the
Abeg.
truth now. You lie to me, abi you don't lie to me?
I like to you. Yes, I like to you.
Good. You know wetin? Oh yeah, they confess. Tell me
Huh?
everything. How you tell lie to me?
Everything I like to you. I like to you.
So as I don be so, you look me like person wey you fit spoil a platform.
I don't spoil your platform. They say the most I be one arrange and first before I present. Now that I be talk. I want flash and first before I
Okay,
present.
before you go call arranger, then my fans now go call they look me like a person.
No, as far as the money I know eat every time I think I think beg.
You need to dey carry me along, and my fans go know say yes, we dey do this thing for you. People do more for you.
I beg. Okay, I don't take guilty. I take guilty. You just I beg.
Who advance you? Who advance you? Make keep them as a secret to me.
Nobody.
No money.
I mean, everything upon my head. I beg. Nobody. I don't feel like for person. I beg. I don't sabi dey lie because nobody.
Who
I
advance
beg.
you? Want more truth from you? Finish. Who advance you? Who tell you say your letter no dey? You go understand. Somebody
Nobody.
like
No. I'm sure my father's grave. Nobody. I'm sure my
okay,
father's
the
grave.
priest. Okay, not be priest again.
I don't say priest. Now priest say me I dey lie this. I say priest because priest you don't want me to tell the truth of the wetin concern the house. You don't want me to bring account TikTok.
If priest don't want me to talk the truth of wetin concern the house wey he wan give you for free, does that mean make you go the one wey we dey give you?
Sir?
If priest tell you say this house wey he wan give you so, he no wan see am for social media, does that mean make you go dey lie? Priest dey fight you. Priest dey fight you.
It dey fight me because the way they do so it's like they fight me. I say I don't want something. He will leave me. I say I don't want. He will leave me. I say I don't want the offer. When he offer me, I say I don't want that. He's supposed to leave me.
Jama money.
Sir? Oh.
You see, I say I wish you dey lis ten to me. The condition wey you dey, I know dey. Free house.
I beg. I don't.
Wait.
It's free house. I said
Free
okay.
house dey. You say you know the free house dey lowly. We come dey try to raise. I was even using my time. You do pay me. You don't collect any money from the money.
I don't pay you, sir. You forgive me. I don't already offend you. Plus, forgive me. I don't already offend you. Please forgive me.
Okay. I constantly tell you say since money dey grand, did I not tell you that I would send you 300,000? Did I not tell you?
All the old problem I put up for my brain. I beg.
You put up on your brain.
I don't put up for myself.
This is not.
Let them call. I will beg them.
You have to apologize. You beg up.
Yes.
You beg mini boss.
I buy. Yes, I buy.
Where is the custom paper?
You don't call the man. You not call the man, and I call the man today now.
Okay. You agree to follow Godfather go tomorrow?
I don't know. Nobody there. Whether they will arrest me, I know. Whether they will arrest me tomorrow, I don't know whether they will arrest me.
Nobody's waiting. Hey.
No. Wait.
Wait first. Nobody's going to arrest you. We want confirm if that mini box, if you buy them. Because, wait first. You know why they do it like this? I want to be honest with my fans. In case of next time.
I buy boss.
You buy boss. Wait. As far as you buy boss, then nobody's going to arrest you. I swear with my father's grave, we are not arresting you. Nobody they arrest you. Anybody will arrest you, that person go back for prison. I no go fit arrest you join your condition, but I wan just know if you dey sincere to us, because na me use my platform to help you. Me and Ogbonna.
Wait, wait.
You say you get fans. You can't tell me say you get fans. Where is your fans?
I beg, I don't get fans. This I tell you, I don't get fans. I beg. Oh, forgive me. Epa. You look at me. I don't waste them.
Listen to me. Don't let me go forgive you. I get sometimes.
I dey guilty. I dey guilty. I beg. I dey guilty. I beg. Epa, I dey guilty.
You that video.
Okay, first, may I forgive me. I be not thief money. I be not knowing that they buy cloth put for body. May I forgive me. I know you they buy cloth put for body. I know you that they buy medicine. I beg you.
No what you know.
The money.
Mama money.
I know you they buy cloth. I know you they buy food job.
Mama money. You calm down. Calm down. Wetin Sonny do you wey make you dey tensed? Because you are tensed right now. Wetin Sonny do you wey make your body dey shake?
Sonny, na help dey help for me. Na Sonny, na help still dey help me. You no know when you need to.
Sonny,
Na help.
Wait. Adam, you know why I say not be help? That boy lied to me. Sonny lied
because me.
If Sonny say he not lie to me, no Sonny go give me the ayala wey dey buy person today. I go answer with my money. If Sonny not lie to me.
Let me cause everything. Just say let me cause everything. I beg.
Everything. They are admitted to yourself.
Yes, let me cause everything.
Oh yeah. You buy boss, abi?
I buy bossy.
Apologize to my fans. Oh, you know the fans and
say I beg everything will happen. That because I beg because of fear. I beg because they say that's something talk. I call they say we I don't want to do something. That I call they decide. Okay, maybe I go buy the boss. They say so TikTok where I call they say that don't make sense. Now go find something where I go they do. Okay, that means the money me I go find money. I don't. I go buy the boss. So I from there they start. That's why I not going to continue talking. They are for made a mistake. I for not made a mistake. I beg. They say I they continue talking. Say I not get sense.
Now me put fear for your body.
No, that the people were getting talking. They say I don't get sense here. If they go get that kind of money, if you know they continue talking again, I don't get sense. I beg everything I the way happen, and I because I beg. I be not TV the money. I be not to buy clothes. I don't have food money.
It not be the way me go to dig you. You give me bad name. Now so person go call you say you ask for help. They'll say
if I beg, I dey shake. I know I beg.
What do you mean? Stand up.
I will it down. No, you want cause problem. Did you want cause problem? No,
did that tell you
I beg you. Oh, no, give fast. Me not forgive me. I be there normal. Me not forgive me.
Why you get down? Oh, you
forgive me. Me not forgive.
I don't forgive you. Okay, I don't forgive you. Stand up. You bet.
I want beg your fast. I want beg your fans. Me, forgive me.
Before
forgive me. They say
before they say you buy boss. You buy boss.
I buy boss. I buy her.
Oh yeah, wait.
I buy her.
Why you dey cry now? I say I don't forgive you.
Sonny danger. I beg. Sonny danger. I beg. I had a robot, and I cause everything. So it did danger. I beg you, Papa not the mama not the way they go.
May you wait now. Stop now. Why you gonna make me feel like I'm a bad person?
Sonny did danger. I beg you.
May you wait. I don't do anything. Okay, I know they arrest Sonny again. I know they do anything to Sonny again. But I don't forgive you. Only one thing what they do for me. I must see the end of this boss.
Yes, they know the well. When they go confirm for there. They know well. I'm not supposed to follow them. I'm not supposed to follow them. They know there. The people know.
You're not supposed to follow them. You're not supposed to follow them.
They sit there with them to confirm now. Whether I really come there.
My fans, make you not go well again.
I beg.
Because
I beg.
No rest, may not go again. They be supposed to follow the go there now.
I be not use I take buy food chop. I be not use I take buy clothing. That boss I use take buy boss. I don't use take buy clothing for the. I don't use take buy cloth. I don't use take buy food. I beg you. I beg you.
Okay, Jama money, wait.
Oh.
So we not
I don't
go.
I call you call apologize to the public. I beg me, forgive me. Everything will happen. Me, I don't put up upon myself. I beg you. Huh?
Don't forgive you now. Stand up.
No, they never. No, I want me to hear. If they say me, I dey today break. I read today. I beg. I beg. If
You
you
not say you
forgive
say
me,
you not
let
break.
everything
You
die.
back
Let everything die. Let everything die.
You
I
don't
don't
need
thief.
to
I don't thief the money. Like boss, I bring you take bad. They give me the city. The man, the city tell I say, na place I call. I know you take buy cloth. I know you take buy food. I beg you. I know you take buy food. I know you take buy
I
cloth.
said, may you stand up now. I said, stand
No, I
up.
beg. I read today here. Everything will happen. And I need concern. I beg. Sorry. I beg you.
Wait, I
I
beg.
beg.
That fast. Did I
I
tell
beg
this
you.
man to kneel down?
I
No,
beg.
because he
I
left
beg.
my man. Did I
I
tell this man
beg.
to kneel down?
Maybe punishment. Maybe punishment. I beg. Maybe punishment. Maybe
Why you call it
punishment. I
make me
beg.
the feel say I be bad person? May you stand up now.
Maybe punishment. I beg. Maybe punishment. I beg. I beg. Papa not there. Mama not there. Which life I could go now?
What
They
is
say
the
they say
punishment?
TikTok. They say they say TikTok. They say TikTok. Now go for which I go to
Let me punish
do.
you.
See a policy. They say they say TikTok. Now lead me to this one now. They say TikTok. I prefer. They say TikTok. Now better pass. Now lead me to this one now.
You dey
They say
take
TikTok.
talk. What did that one mean? That one, what you dey talk, no dey reach make sense.
Oh, I
May
beg
you stand
you.
up, stand up.
I beg you, I beg you. They beg, I beg you. Since morning, I never eat it because I dey sick. I never eat it this morning. This because of this
Okay,
matter. I beg you.
okay. Jama money. Wait, I beg, unmute yourself. More than not unmute am, I beg. Unmute yourself. I know they hear you. I know they hear you.
May not forgive me. I beg.
We
May
don't
not forgive
forgive
me.
you. Jama
I
money.
beg.
We don't for. Jama money. We
Oh,
don't forgive you now.
no, if your first never had, if they agree, why may they agree? I beg. Both your, don't whenever offend, I don't offend. May not forgive me. All your problem, I don't put up upon myself. They say TikTok. I don't get sense. Now lead me to this one, and now lead me to this one. Say that TikTok, they call the call. Now lead me to this one.
More than mute
So,
Jama money. More than mute her first.
oh,
More
I
than mute
beg
her
you.
first. Jama money.
I beg.
Go down first. Me come back again. Go down. You are tensed. Go down. Moderator, drop on. Thank you so much for the giraffe. Hey, why a gift me? God bless you for the giraffe. More than you dey pour me giraffe. Jama money, come back again. We not put you for knee down. We not hate you. As a matter of fact, I love you. Everyone loves you. The way that they deport you, it pain everybody. That's why say people they wait don't like you before. It pain them. Wait, so we don't tell me none of this. I don't already forget.
Okay, forget. Just forget it. Many forget it, but
No. Go moderator, no now. Why won't let the year waiting this man they talk? What he talk?
say, now forgive me. Everything I put upon myself. Let me take guilty. I take guilty. Yeah, I beg you. I beg you. If you are tired,
May we forget everything.
me I put upon my head. Let me take guilty. Now me, I don't agree. I take guilty. I take guilty. I take lie to the public. I take guilty. I don't have been lie. If they just, I don't have been lie before. I don't have been lie
You
before.
not say you know something like that before.
They say because they say TikTok. Say I don't get sense. Now lead me to this one. Now lead me to this one. Now lead me to this one.
Who say you don't get sense?
That the people with this social media. I beg you. Oh,
Who say you not get sense?
the people with this social media. I say that kind of money. I say they cut TikTok. I consider they beg. May I go back? May I go find what they do? May not they cut TikTok again. I don't get sense. I be mugu. That's why I say may I take another step. I beg. Everything will happen. As long as I don't take buy cloth. I don't take eat food. I'm not supposed to say
No,
that I take buy.
Jama money. No dey stress
Yes.
yourself now. Calm down. You say that we forgive you. I say we don't forgive you. Everybody say they don't forgive you.
I didn't never clear for my mind still. My mind didn't never clear. If you say me they gather, I will lie down. I will beg there. Me they leave so now. If only there.
I want to know you they beg for now. You they beg me will forgive you. May you not go show us the boss.
Later they beg for me. I leave Sony. Sony na help day for me. Help.
I say I don't want arrest Sony again. I say I don't want to do anything to Sony again. Sony they cost me since for WhatsApp. But
you because of me. I beg. No.
I don't want.
I say use your mother because of your mother. Your mother na uro. My mother na uro me. I beg. Na police I beg. My mother na uro me. Your mother na uro me. I beg.
For this one, I say I don't rest.
If you rest, if you're supposed to okay, you say God only go father, make go find out. You say only go father, make go find out. I beg. You say let me do now. I beg.
Father.
If I'm rob now, if they catch I'm rob out there prison, they will go find out where they for go rob. They really close there before they go say okay. I beg.
I beg. Where is Godfather? Please, you should ask Godfather for me. Because I bet they give us that statement today, but my baba was around and I was a little bit tired.
I bet all the fans. I beg guilty. I been not happy the last season I was born, but that is why I know that something happened. I not happy the last season I was born. The thing called a wonder me. I not happy the lie before. I not happy the lie. I know you take buy clothes. I know you take eat food. The car you take buy. They give me the city. I beg. I don't like since I was born. I don't sabi the lie.
Dema money. I want to ask you a question. Did you trust me or not?
100%. I trust you. 100%. I trust you.
Why are you scared to go to Welu with Godfather? Why are you scared?
If you say ask Sonny, yesterday before day, I wake up, I call and say, see what you want to play. If I know you want to send people, make they come arrest me. I beg. I said, me, I leave me that one, and I'm going to my money. They think, like that. I say, something what happened? I would say the signal. If this thing must come to pass, I beg. Now the thing, now they see so now arrest they want to arrest me so. I beg.
If you don't do bad, why you dey cry now? Why you crying?
Sonny call me. Sonny say, before you come here, I leave your house. I beg. Now help you. Sonny be there. Help you.
Before me come, I don't understand. Before I come,
Sonny say before you will come, may I leave your house. Sonny, I beg.
Sonny will not try it. You will leave her on Sunday, but I have to know if you buy bus first. My mama, they listen to me. My mama wey dey island say he go support you with 200,000, but you wait first. You wait first. Godfather.
Damaja.
Yeah, I bet come on camera, my brother.
What a problem.
Godfather, call your. You know say I not dey Nigeria. I not to understand that wetin you send me today. That way you send me today for WhatsApp. If you explain that to us, the statement of account, carry am very move for the see and well. Good. They explain that to us. I beg. We wait not to.
This CR so na credit me enter the account. Na credit me enter the account. The first thing na 40,000. The second na 160. You get me so. Ogo na cost na 1.1 million. You get me?
Thanks.
That's because because na this 30, another because na 40. You get me so. The cost that one do the other side. I don't know why you not show. They send 300,000 enter Sonny account to.
Okay.
300,000.
They send enter Sonny account. That's nice.
I be general money.
No, ask her.
No, that money now what mete the motor.
No ask her, not the ask her a question again. Continue.
They send 300,000 enter that account. Now I did the other side. That's debit.
This 4.1. So where the transfer go?
This 4.1. I dey come my check with my other phone.
Yes. Now here be our concern.
Yes, this 4.1. They send I go that account, but they say from that account they come from that account. See they transfer they tell this account again. It be like whether they from that account, wetin they expect from you, they get me.
Yes.
Whether na first me they close to that get that account, they get me from there. Now they take the use one.
Okay.
I don't know.
No, that account. Now take buy the. Now take buy am. Now that
Yeah,
person
wait,
where
may
they
I talk the
can
person name? Just wait, may I talk the
When
person
you
name?
wait and make them talk the person name now, why you so in haste?
I know they use now.
No, you
Open and check
can
Wait,
am.
wait, may I talk the person name? Transfer later. Wait. They come. This na WhatsApp dey load.
Hey, pan okay, you for I beg.
If you dey beg me like this, I go dey vex more. Because when you beg me for now, I no tell you say I dey vex for you. I say I don't forgive you. My first say I don't forgive you. We are concerned about if you beg us or not. Before we come enter the custom paper, you want to provide a custom paper for this boss. That one na 100. That is 100.
Who want present the plate number? Now they will present all those one for me.
Okay, you want me to forgive you?
Yes.
You go dance.
No, I beg. If you forgive me, I beg. I don't need that for now. I beg.
Wọ́n yá gbé wẹ́kámú jáde lẹ́gà gbàlè náà lọ́la lè máa wẹ́sẹ̀ gbé.
I beg. Me that I not thief the money. I not thief am o. I know you take buy clothes. I know you take buy clothes. I know you take buy food.
That 4.1 million naira enter.
This man wey follow buy this man wey follow buy car. Na he enter.
Hello. See, normally, we
I never trust this man. I never.
Adam Godfather is like a younger brother to me. He says that they do good work. Now he take him upon himself to say, he must see the truth of this issue.
And may you go there tomorrow. No be say may drive go there tomorrow to go confirm am before you call say na not be there I go. If I go confirm am come.
The more money.
Sir.
You want bad Godfather. You want me to set Godfather up.
I don't want to set that up. If they say today wait, he will call me. If you need, they will call me. Say so person he come here.
Do they forbid to go there? No one go.
See, wait. I don't give na receipt. If you go, they go confirm. So person come here, come buy motor. He say no or yes. If you say yes, okay. Now,
wow, and you say you love me.
which kind of problem? What put me? Which okay? If na the camera take the camera, take the camera leave me. Leave me. Na point of death I got. Point of death now I got this. Point of death. This one you don't. Jama not do that. This the way I do me. Jama not do that. This. That's my heart is the beat. That's my heart is the beat. My heart is the beat. I not dey sleep again. My heart is the beat. Jama not do me like this when they deport me. I beg. Me forgive me. I forget everything. I beg. If I'm about rob, they don't agree. Say don't rob. Now forgive her. They will say I forgive you. I beg. I don't beg you.
If you not tell us say na robber rob you, she will forgive you. We will not tell us say I'm robber. Now people, let's continue the donation. You don't know say I'm robber rob you. When you go tell us say that I'm robber rob you, when you come to stress me. You don't tell me say if I dey rob also finish, they will continue the donation for you.
No. Listen to me. I don't say I don't agree. Say I don't dey guilty. I don't agree. Say I don't dey guilty.
Okay.
Now so I don't agree. I don't dey guilty. I don't dey guilty.
Listen.
Na call the man.
They listen to since 4 days ago when I ask you for receipt. Now today you dey bring receipt for me. I tell you the receipt. I tell you this morning say I am going to arrest you and Sonny in over 30 minutes. You react me for WhatsApp. You when me the call since yesterday, you know they pick my call. You react me.
No, they say that come up online. They call me since.
Tell me you come back to line.
They say that come up online. Oh, put me for us. Me come up online. Say I not sabi they talk. Me not forget beg. I dey beg since morning. Now what? I beg. I dey beg una beg. I beg. Fast, me not forgive me. I don't use the money to chop for belle. I don't have to buy clothes. I beg. I don't carry any money that take buy food put for belle. I don't carry that buy clothes. Me not forgive me. I don't take guilty. Me not forgive me. I don't take the money take buy clothes.
Let's see.
Me not forgive me. I don't have to buy clothes.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, Daniel. Zegbe. Okay, may I put up for last speaker?
One word, yes.
My last speaker now.
Just one
Hey.
word. General money. Person when you go do good for, that go kill you. You just say this your cry go help you. General money, see your high. You be criminal. You be criminal. Anybody will go
The patient too. I beg you, the beg you.
your eye, no, you see this your eye. As I only look you so I go just pin your neck. Go you want more in there. Go
I
want
beg.
your leg cry. You
May I
want
forgive you, I beg. I not Tifa.
that money you see for Germany when you there here. You see for Germany, see your
I don't use that. Me no use that. I know you have to buy food. I beg. I know you have to buy food. I beg. Me not forgive me. I beg. Me not forgive me.
I beg wait first. Ewesi. That person wey talk say why they insult, I wanna block that person. Madam, you want to spoil my platform. That person wey talk say where they insult German money. They insult German money since day. Did they insult that German money? Do you know what people donate at the end of the day? You know if you give us an account of what you donate. I bet when I accept God Father come back, I beg.
I tell you, I say, now you have to buy car. Now can you have to buy?
Wait first.
Now can you have to buy na car?
All the insult that they are giving you right now, you deserve am. You're wait, you're quiet. You're quiet.
Yeah, that deserve her.
Who bring this person come here?
I deserve her.
Bring God Father come.
I deserve her. I beg. I want me to get us off mind. I deserve her. I beg.
Wetin? Now, my brother,
I beg.
that account show who they transfer 4.1 million give.
The weather na which kind language is na Zumi to base something like that. Same for conversation.
Two best.
Yes.
Two best. Okay.
About 300,000 on Sunday they transfer that one for.
300,000. Okay.
On Sunday they transfer that one for.
Then
But this
before
one
they
are two best.
start saying the remaining 4.1 million to the same two best.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. But that this thing so that what you call that 300,000 on Sunday account oh, but 4.1 and two best.
Okay, 4.1 and two best.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah, German money.
beg.
You hear me? German money. Oh.
Yes.
Nobody will never buy motor for Nigeria. If you buy motor, get a custom paper and this thing. Not this time my motor for you. Wait, this house. That one so when they can't follow body as you pay, they give you that one. They not give you that paper. So I might show you.
Which paper?
Sam, something like this. This one for that with me for years. Sam, proof of ownership. Come and cover my this.
Give to sir, please.
Yeah. They don't give you something like this. They don't give you something like that.
We have for buy, huh?
Yes. They don't give you.
We have for buy the motor.
Yes, now. They don't give you.
We have for buy the car.
Yes.
Go inside.
Now the receipt when they give me that. Now the receipt when they give me that. Now I show you.
Okay,
Now I show today.
receipt different from proof of ownership. Proof of ownership. If you drive that motor without this thing, police go owe you.
You see?
You don't fit drive motor without proof of
They say
ownership.
people.
Yeah, if you see this
They say
proof of ownership,
when we carry number.
if I hear me, this proof of ownership, if you will see, I know they carry this one follow body, because this one are the original paper. If they thief this by motor, they hold this original, they fit sell am. When I photocopy day, without this original, they don't fit sell without photocopy me this my motor. I get photocopy for inside my motor, but original one dey inside my house. See, I see the original papers of the motor. Even proof of ownership, even this one, so I come and show you another one. The
I
agreement
dey say
between
TikTok
the
like all this one.
man.
Where me I go this whole thing. Hey, man.
Yes, the
Oh, I
agreement
don't sabi
between
the
the
lie
man.
before. I don't sabi
He
the
said, see,
lie.
wait now. The agreement between you and the man.
Calm down.
You dey get me? The agreement between you and the man. You dey get me? Wait now, without all these things, how you want to drive motor for Benin? Now station you want go sleep. How you even take drive the motor reach your house without this paper? Police not stop you. Without all
Now the
this
seat
paper.
where they give you, just be like saying na television you go buy.
All
Na
those
television
receipts,
if they give that person
receipt they
that
go
kind
give
of
me. I be like, go buy phone. Man, I show you. See what they give you for here. See what they give you. See, and my television receipt. See, I still get them for here. See what they give you for here. Then be all this one. All this one they give you. Yeah, get many receipts. See what they give you. All this one not be.
I go buy. No
You bring they get me so. You be like,
Agreements, now
you
they
go
follow
buy
motor.
compressor. You go buy this.
No be all those kind of receipts.
See, motor receipt, see, not be one paper. This one never even finish. Oh. I still get another one they had. In case the thief, with that one, if I can't go station, the fit track am. They get me this one and one for his side. The other papers, those one they say my room. I don't want to go the scatter bag. But this one I deliver in case if that one sometimes just day, maybe police or I just drive leave them leave one come up. I go for to another one.
Yeah,
You buy something of 1 point something. Wait. When you buy the motor, they only give motor, they not give paper.
When I buy the motor, then the man after the complete, he goes say I can't rat money. I rat money. Then I suddenly come and say, whether na they hear me now.
We dey
Wait,
hear
you write your name. That one
stop.
a normal na receipt, but this one
Wait.
a motor document. The document.
Suddenly come and say, whether na only this paper now they follow this motor. Now the matter and say, after if I want go take number, now they will come complete everything give me. Now they will come complete everything give me. Where I want to take number.
Wait, even proof of ownership not today. Proof of ownership not today.
They said the man say na there where they want for give me number, na there they will do am. He say where they want for give me number, plate number, na there they want for do am, plate number.
Wait, AG number, AG number, all those things.
Yes,
Wait. Without those things, Without those things, how they want to do paper for you. I mean, when you go to the test, you want to register this month to the register.
AG number dey there. AG number dey there.
You say
dey
we
there.
follow Godfather
You get this
tomorrow.
receipt now?
You need to follow Godfather tomorrow. Make una go do this thing. You see, you say why you need to follow Godfather. Make una go the top best for Welu. The man say una dey there.
If I hear me so, that matter so, if this guy cannot go there, say they caught us in a stolen car, they feel this guy. Oh.
I never tell me.
You don't know before? I bet bring good day Nigeria media register motor come without proof of ownership or anything. You want to go register motor? What if you call rich there say they don't report the motor in a stolen car? What do you want to do?
That one not be we come arrest you.
Who I follow go that car, please?
Not be we come arrest you.
Wait, this guy so, he don't buy a motor. Now Europe, they call him.
Oh,
he comment us. I see in investor. He say he say request with the acceptance. This they cover am. This Amani. So see the way he name today. This Amani.
but just more money go do go. Anybody.
This Amani. See the way I take tag and so na say name today, but he didn't Amani.
Okay, I don't see.
So without proof of ownership, nothing. You want go register motor? If you like a prison, you want to wake up. Oh.
Everything. Therefore, wait. This man, I never buy motor before.
See, you dey hear me so? You go that place, even before they register motor for you.
Good evening.
Custom, the way custom to approve me to enter Nigeria, they not give you one go register motor for where they
Okay.
do it.
Now be one talk. Godfather don't talk. I want ask the motor. Now direct bench you have been a second hand.
Did they ask you question on German money?
German money. Now direct bench. Okay, Godfather ask you one question. Okay, now Benjo. If you buy Benjo, direct Benjo, they will give you custom paper of that motor.
One of the power tap, one of the gifts.
Where is the custom paper of the motor? Custom paper of the motor. Where the motor enter the country, take clear am. The custom paper. What the Godfather they show you?
They butcher. They say minimum.
You hear me?
I hear you, Godfather.
Na two see. If not direct, they'll give you a custom paper.
Custom paper, you are right.
But
yeah.
if not be direct in a second hand, they'll give you affidavit.
Proof of ownership. Affidavits when it say transfer.
When the person hand over and give you.
Exactly.
Then they will give you.
Exactly.
Because my former motor, I don't first say my former motor.
Exactly. Yeah.
Now I still give that person.
Baba, I agree to Godfather.
MC Kekere, hold on first. Wait, I want MC Kekere, hold on.
Admin, when I drop KK and your money. Thank you, bros. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Moderator, I drop here banana. I don't too need too much crowd for year. Who call the country? It never reach home what to contribute. Because right now, we never feel where we dey for this matter. Godfather, they let us they know one thing now. Where German know. So German money, wetin me dey think be say, you sure say that so not be pressing you.
Okay?
You sure say this car so not be pressing you. They can't go
You will not be pressing you. No, no.
pressing you.
That person, motor food there, wait, they said, motor food there. Motor food
German
there.
money, wait. If you can't go this place, I want to register this motor now, they can't owe you. If you go provide to sell motor for you.
Good question.
Whether,
If you go provide to sell motor for you.
yes, now.
That receipt so made they give you, just not register company. How you wanted to say that you and that man snap picture? How you the one you think say you go tell police that this man right receipt, you police get your believe.
But you don't see the sample, everything. They decided where we carry the city go name that one. Now, can I just answer una? But
German money, that man fit us so now go print another receipt with the company. Say not be Islam, you go deny you be swap.
Listen to me. Listen, when I call her today, they let him say if na black motor now automatically, but they know you go confused and say now white. Now for let man talk now.
Wait,
black
who sell motor for you now? Then white or black is set for you.
God bless you, Godfather.
You know now, they try to tell them say if an automatic I buy for your hand.
Wait, maybe your thing lost, and I two person say they want get on. Now the person go tell you color. I been now who sell for you supposed to talk color. As if I don't get tossing a black or white,
People
they get me supposed to talk the correct color.
But this one, I don't lost power. Now they go point of death. So point of death. Now they go. So now
oh yeah, you hear me? German money.
I don't wake up again.
German money. The more today with you, Abi. The more today with you, Abi.
No.
Is that with me? Is that with me now?
Okay, they ask for you.
Yeah, where bros for rent? He travel.
He travel.
He go burial.
Where your motor? What you consider your motor? Consider the burial.
Okay.
Motor the car. They say
Okay, but you fit drive the car. You fit drive the car. Not be quarter. You fit drive the car tomorrow.
I fit drive, but he lock the gates. He lock the gates.
So you not fit drive the. How you want to go to do the paper the motor this thing tomorrow? Okay, wait.
That thing
Wait.
Oh my
Wait.
God.
Who do the paper of my motor? Wait,
let the boss come for
who
travel.
they do number of motor? Wait. Who they do number for motor? I get their number. I want call them now. They get me for road safety. Say whether I fit register my motor without custom paper, without not only receipts. Wait, my just call them.
Wait.
Amen, like Jaguar. Make you let the person talk now.
Wait, I want call the person I made the do one now. Wait, my call the person made the do one. I want call the do one.
Thank you,
Wait, yeah, whether you fit go there without anything. Wait.
Thank you, Pariwa. Thank you, Pamara. Yeah, even my way.
Wait, I dey call the person. Me dey hear. Hello? I greet you. I greet you. I call you to talk. I beg you, one of my guy bad boss. You dey get me? He say na direct budget, no custom paper, nothing. Na only receipt, normal receipt. Na all those normal receipt that they give am. You go fit register am. Boss, mini boss. Without custom paper, nothing. Na only receipt they all give am for you. No affidavits. You go fit register am with receipt. No paper. With only receipt. I dey tell her say if you go there, they go put one cup on your hand. They say I dey lie. They go put one cup on your hand. See, go return that motor. They go put one cup on your hand, though. See, and how they do am be this? Say me go return her. They go put one cup on your hand.
So you know he give me.
Go return that motor. They go put one cup on your hand, though. That's what they tell you.
My money. Who carry you go the workshop? I want to hear you again. Who carry you go the workshop?
Now, bros.
Who be bros?
Tony, they carry me go there.
Sonny, they carry you go the workshop.
Now they carry they carry mechanic when we take go there. Carry mechanic when we take go there. We take go the place. Well,
Yeah. So
wait. So what you have made? If you come for travel, then you will. If you come for travel, then I will call. Then we're gonna go there.
when you want to go for travel,
On Saturday. If you call, then we'll call. Then we'll call go there.
Jama money, just tell truth, whether you buy motor or not, because no car that go sell motor for you without paper.
I buy motor food there. Motor food there. Motor food there. No be only one kasi for there. No be only one kasi for there. No be only one kasi for there. Huh? That video where I show where boss. Now there for buyer. That one where for show that one boss. Now there for buyer.
No wahala.
Where for show why boss. Now there for buyer.
They get me. They get me. You put the here for the person family don't advise me get for you not go. And the truth I dey tell you, not go. Because if that car be stolen car, they go seize am. Till you go provide all those things come.
I dey tell you now that I get one picture where I post.
If na stolen car, they go arrest you. If don't be stolen car, they go seize am. Na the truth I dey tell
Don't be
you.
stolen car. Everybody.
Abeg Godfather.
Okay. You, when you come Nigeria, go now. You know buy motor. You know buy motor. You know buy motor.
Bros, Mona wait first. Mona wait, German money, wait first. See, your blood to the hot, you're the shark. German money.
Yes.
That receipt when they give you, so you sure say no only that paper they give you, or they give on another paper a day with Sonny, you don't know.
No, not that paper. Now two paper. Let me bring up on.
They calm down. No, they shout here.
Sonny travel. Mama.
Sonny, he be like say mama die, so they go bury her. And that motor dey inside Sonny compound. And Sonny no want leave only this guy for inside that compound alone. Now make am be like say he put am somewhere before he travel.
German money.
So now make am he no fit show.
Godfather, shebi say German money get 400,000 naira for account.
Yes, you see get.
That one na 1 year house rent. You have to pay with your money first. You go look for house. Everybody will get better house. More than the right thing for Benin for there. You go stay in your house right now. Nonsense. You be smart.
Thank you for the gift.
You be smart pikin wey who be this one wey dey talk say is not lying. You know why you say we never see custom paper so reach Zamani. One time wey is not lying. I mean make custom paper.
See the two paper.
Make I see. Open and I see the front.
Open and see the front.
Wetin be the head? Wetin be the right for the head? For the headline.
To best motor Nigeria Limited a press.
Show for the camera. Show for the camera.
What are the power tap?
Show for the camera.
I want on my camera.
Turn your camera. Don't calm down. Nobody die. To best motors Nigeria enterprises.
That motor does not need.
Carry the camera go down.
Your father, the same motor wey no need custom paper.
Show me the other one. Show me the second one.
Okay.
Oh wow. You just be like say this receipt. Ah.
Don't be submitted by motor. No.
Okay, fine. Maybe now this kind of receipt, but all those paper go supposed to be. Make I show you paper. Yes, I don't first show you just now, but man, show you again. German money.
Okay. Now you see this.
Make I show you again. Yeah. You see this one. This one another paper. This one my tinted permit. Now be this one. This one na proof of ownership. Now be this one original.
Hey, let me tell you now. Now this guy even need. Only this one alone don't cover everything. Only that one.
This one na roadworthiness. Shey you see all these things are paper. Then this one na agreement. agreement between me and person when he sell the motor for me and the receipts, how much I take buy am and everything. You understand?
Yes.
Why they just I never even get this kind of receipt when you get so now agreement. Now I don't get that kind of receipt.
You see that direct bench of motor you buy, if they get me so, but receipt they give you, they have to proof of change of ownership too.
God bless you.
See insurance.
You buy new motor, eh? New motor.
Insurance.
But they give you receipt of change of ownership. Check out now they put one. You see a new motor you buy.
Okay, Godfather, if person buy new metal not for direct bench job, how until they write the receipt?
They'll give her the custom paper. You get me so? The paper me follow the motor.
How to put custom by then inside motor.
Yeah, all those custom paper, all those things. Even the way they take claim, all those
meet
people
one wicked police now. They want see all the old paper. They want see all the old paper.
Because as not direct, it go take time for you to put
not be direct. Not be direct. Now bench at the end they call a bench minimum boss na bench na direct they call a
bench not be direct now.
Bench not be direct to Kubo.
Not be bench be direct. Na direct bench they call an direct bench. So you know that
direct bench. So maybe the man never give on the receipt finish. You go call Sonny, you ask her.
No.
He know better than you.
You know what?
You don't buy motor before?
No one call the man now. Because the man
don't be fault. He never buy motor before. Mona take her easy. He never buy motor before. Sonny don't buy motor. Sonny supposed to know.
May I call the man wait.
Sonny get motor where he supposed to.
Make call the man.
Okay, calm down. I want to look your face for all this thing we do like this.
I said I dey guilty. I dey guilty. No forgive me. I dey guilty.
This man give us appointment tomorrow. They man at day office 11 to 12. But me wan ask the man now say, then you sell this car for this man. Why you not write custom paper for no am? Wait.
But make I talk one thing.
Wait.
They say custom paper no dey follow this motor. I don't know whether na true.
What? Some car in Nigeria where custom people don't they follow my people, made in Nigeria.
They say this mini bus. They say this mini bus, custom people no dey follow am. The way I dey hear, I don't know whether na true. They say na here they for the scatter the couple and for Nigeria. But my Wetin I dey after na the paper of the motor. Why they only give you only that receipt? Like say you go buy it. One thing they call calculator. You see the way they write am for barrel for inside. Crayfish, onions.
To cut the story short because of time, because the person wey dey deport for Germany with him and his wife, they come my platform in the next some minutes. You know wetin German money? You go follow Godfather go there tomorrow morning. No fear, except say you not really buy motor. You follow Godfather go there. Godfather go there. At the end of the day, Godfather go do video. If possible, you go live there. No problem. You agree? I'm not hear you.
I agree, but me I don't arrest me. I beg. Me I don't arrest me. I beg. I will follow her.
No one arrest you. Check her for spiritual. If I go arrest you, check her for spiritual realm. Check her.
In spiritual, no dey work again. Don't dey Nigeria now for Germany for work.
I beg. I will follow her if I
You don't
beg.
chop so. You
I
don't
never chop
chop.
because I never chop this morning because this matter. I never chop.
I gotta go chop. Go chop. Who they call me now? Leave me.
I dey guilty.
Go chop here.
I dey guilty. Una forgive me. I dey guilty. Me call the man. Why? That is so paper they follow. Me na fake confirm.
Yeah. Who they talk? How far now? What people na name for TikTok? Who na request? They request. You don't request. Okay. Ola.
I'm gonna put myself now.
Calm down. Maybe they do over sabi. Why you not carry person along?
And then I have made a mistake. I be saying I arrange am first.
I do say na you sabi pass. Arrange wetin? Why only you want to arrange the money? You carry everybody along next time. Except now you make your money by yourself. Oh. And if you do what you like, no be wetin they contribute for you. You can't go do over sabi.
Jama money.
Bros.
Jama money.
At the year.
How many years you spent for Germany?
7 years.
7 years.
Yes.
For that 7 years, so Jama money. Apart from saying you not work, you not go club one day, you not go party, you not get friends.
No. I don't get friends. No.
Every day of your life in 7 years, you dey use and see vision for yourself. You dey use and dey pray, dey see vision for yourself, they talk for social media, they talk for TikTok, you know, smart. Me na social media person. I smart. Before you do me like that.
Forgive me now. I did duty. I did duty everything. Yeah.
Where can we obey?
Hey. I love you.
Next time, try to carry people along. Next time.
Thank you, sir.
Next time, don't be saying not free. Oh. You will follow Godfather go there tomorrow. Thank you, sir. You go follow Godfather go there tomorrow. Because you don't carry me along, you deceive a lot of my fans, and this is why I'm still on this case. And I must see the end of this case. We not see your name, oh, my brother.
Name?
No, just if I see somebody with the beer Senior Peter, I want to bring him up. Senior Peter. Senior Peter, okay. Jama money.
Gross.
They transfer your money. To Senior Peter, by mute first.
Hello.
By mute first, Senior Peter. They transfer your money to a non-traceable account. They come from that non-traceable account, transfer and go to best.
No, na my account. Now for transfer money to best. When we have all about motor, then that 300,000, now that 300,000. Now I want to maintain the motor, do everything, redo the motor again. Now the money we transfer enter this my Sony account because I never get ATM card.
You know what, Jama money? Hope you are going to go with Godfather tomorrow.
Yeah, where she start to what I would plate number the ownership the plate number yare.
You don't do plate number for the bus now.
You don't do plate
No,
number.
I never do one.
When you ta say
You know how to plate number for the bus.
Nigeria the
No.
Now, in your van, is that maybe I can't do anything because if now people are for me, I'm going to be boss of the hour 31.
Okay.
I left the other way.
Yeah. Yes, now move for the year now. Move for the year, yes. I'm money there video. Money there, I didn't know that one. Only the next one. You go with Godfather tomorrow.
I agree.
Very nice. Tomorrow I'll make an appointment for you and Godfather. No, they pick you. But meanwhile, you are leaving some years. You come up for some years. You get money for your account. You go use and carry us. Before I come up for you, a person will come up, come talk, say he has free for Bini. And they look for 300 to 350 hours.
Only self call. I don't define big thing. Only self call, I beg.
Eco beggar with choice and dignity. You see, you be swaggerly.
No, you want give me big one. I don't need big one. Anything big, I don't need that. Any big thing, I don't need that.
I don't want to talk to you anyhow. I don't want to talk. Man, maybe you cut us here the oppress you. You want. They tell you say that big one, me want give you.
Okay. They listen to you. They listen now.
As they drop you for corridor, they go travel. So you like her, like 7 years old baby.
No. He said that follower. Let me say I know where. He said that follower. If he said that follower, I said no where.
You know where?
No
You
where.
fuck this way, where? Where's your way?
Let me know my body. I know this Sunday. He said that follower go Lagos. I don't say I no fit go Lagos. He said that follower go Lagos. I said I no fit go Lagos. I know where.
You know where? Since then, the thing they finish for 4 days. Now you dance. Now let that one belly go taste.
I beg you that punishment now. La punish they punish me.
Tomorrow you follow Godfather since you don't want dance. For you to dance, maybe people come they donate for you now. You say you don't want dance. So it's okay. No problem. Go sleep. Since you get money, you don't get money with that. Because if you don't get money, you go dance.
Wait, you just me I say reason now. Me I say reason with me. Although everything will be like this now, I don't blame myself. Let me do everything. You see Lucas, okay. I don't agree.
Dance or not?
I don't wear trousers. I don't wear trousers. I don't wear trousers. I beg you. I don't wear trousers.
My boss today talk to me since.
I beg. I never chop this morning. I lost my appetite. I lost my appetite. I beg.
Don't let trousers. May I put your song for you? You need to make
I beg.
Your 3 punishment is number 1, you go make us dance. Number 2, you go there tomorrow. Then number 3, you will call confirm and say you buy mini bus. We call the donate for you, you finish. But you have to dance now for our first.
Until I come back, until I come there, come back. So I confirm.
We the request and dance.
I beg. First, me forgive me.
They say
forgive me. I know I don't dey wrong. Forgive me. I dey wrong.
They say you don't.
I dey wrong. Forgive me. I dey wrong. Forgive me.
They say you dance.
I know you take chop food.
They say you must to dance before they forgive you. You want
I beg France, forgive me. I be not rob. I be not for person wife. I not for person girlfriend. Forgive me. I don't use the money to eat it for my belly.
You play with our
I beg you.
Wetin?
I beg. Well, I beg. Senior Peter, says me beggar. As I know you have to eat for belly. I know you use the money to put food for belly. I know you have to buy clothes. I never buy motor before. Where I go buy motor? I beg.
All this your cry, they cry. Never ever see tears. May you calm down.
Tell me the process more. I beg.
I never see any tears. You don't do. I'll cry again. If not, so you they cry. This one, you know, go fit dance. So.
I beg. He beg una, I beg. I be not thief the money. I not thief the money. I not you take another thing. Now message me and say that be because I don't carry along. That be the problem now. I beg.
You know Wetin? No problem. Since you don't want dance, it's fine. If I don't know,
Baba, you know, Jama money.
wait to my social media president is coming here right now.
The same dance, you dance. That one.
I know where.
What get the car?
So for the paper, for the car, if you know something.
Akoyo. Na beg face where Baba.
Just
hello, I see my face.
No, what the mama do where? What the mama do where? Please guys, power tap for me. What gift to me? Power tap for me.
Now they see my face.
Oh, pa my beg where?
Yeah.
Mama. Okay. You don't shop since morning. You don't shop since morning.
No, you're better.
You better. Don't
Yeah,
shop.
you book huh? Why won't you be book?
You know your book,
Yeah, mama. Mama, when you take him now.
Ite oh
Come on, princess in here don't matter.
princess.
Princess.
Oh yeah, you carry. Because wetin this man be wan put me he wan put me for big problem for people hand. I know that.
I mean, I feel safe.
Bro.
Now feel safe.
Help you save, yes.
Huh?
Yes, help you save. Again, let's save it now. The deputy, the senior brother to the deputy governor of Edo State.
Hey, Newtie.
This is my father.
Hey,
For those of you that don't know my father, this is my father.
Hey, Newtie. Yes.
That was us.
Jama. What's anyway?
Jama money.
Epadomo.
Oh, you're here.
Oh, you say, Baba.
Oh.
When the mama don't get TikTok in where?
You got oh, you make a donate to go nowhere.
Yes. How you do?
I fell here and say, my Pekin don't first donate money for you.
Yes. Everyone, Yama where? Everyone.
I want to ask you a question.
Everyone.
I want to ask you, what do you use that money to do?
Epa, they say he use the money to go buy mini bus.
Where the mini bus?
What tell me, Baba? Then the mini bus is not there. The mini bus when he buy, he not fit give account 4 days ago. So Epa, the thing come pay me for my belle say, I use my platform to raise that kind of money for you. You not fit give account.
Jama money. As they deport you go Nigeria. As they deport you go Nigeria. You can't see somebody where God get church mind, God mind. He can't donate that kind of amount for you. And you know if you use the money so wise. Now you can't crack crocodile cry. Tell me they still donate money for you. All these people they donate money for you. They don't get family. If you reach their home, some of their mama know they eat well. Some of their papa know they eat well. They get brothers, they get family. Some of their cousins, they know they go school. They go far. But they want pretend red shoulder. Make them donate for you. As they still donate for you, you go use the money anyhow. You can't they cry. As if say yes. The cry, why water don't come out for your eyes?
Okay.
Why water don't come out for your eyes? You don't see untouchable that day when that boy died. You know, so I say they cry. Ooh, water they come out. You know they pretend they cry. Come. Me, I tell you one thing. If you not bring account of those money, no money for you again. No again, don't travel again. No again, don't travel again.
Don't pay, Baba.
Don't travel. You must read the account. How you tell you that money? A to Z. A to Z. Before they go raise on that money. All these people, they work. Oh. Now, what did they work? Just they just sit up for house. Money go down the car. Maybe you there abroad now, you don't work. You don't do anything. You look to top, this place to top, they go. From one place to the other. From one zero to a Z to a Z. Now you want to say, money not easy, I beg. All the TikTok brothers and sisters, I beg. Men are they use their money wisely. Person will not bring account of the money. Men are not donate again.
At all.
They're not the foolish person. God bless you now. Social media president. Worldwide.
But what's it?
What's it, my son?
The door is shiny.
The door is shiny. The door is white. The door is shiny. Oh, power is working. Oh, power is working. Oh, power is working. Oh, power is working. The door is live.
Double, sir. Double, Baba. Double, sir. Okay.
Double, book up enough.
You see what's a part of your stuff? Now the truth.
The man they talk fat. They talk
That's
the
why
truth now.
I say I must take it upon myself to look for the story of this mini boss. He called a cry. People they say, hey, but forgive. Not be to forgive be the problem. Thank you for the gift. And why are you gifting me? God bless you. Chinedu. But we need to know where that boss follow before we go forgive. I
tell you.
More than the gift me. It's not easy. Why gifting me wala? Oh not easy. Where is Jama money? Where is Jama money?
Jama money come or you have been summoned.
Say what go where the car? Where's Senior Peters? Where's Senior Peter here?
Blessing network. Network drop down.
With the deport here, a wife and children. Make tell us his story.
4 children.
4 children. He gave me.
No, we didn't want to give you. I give her your number.
Now 4 children get.
I share have you.
Now 4 children get. I've been at 2.
Now 4.
Okay. Thank you for that.
Now 4. If I'm not mistaken, no.
Okay.
Yeah, you do well. Not by me. Now my network they fuck me up.
Okay,
Just disturb me badly.
Come on, camera.
Good evening.
Huh?